Trump faces legal battle over offshore drilling. Environmental groups fight back. In a bold move to protect the environment, a coalition of environmental groups, led by the Northern Alaska Environmental Center, has filed a lawsuit against President Donald Trump's administration in Alaska's federal court. The lawsuit aims to block Trump's efforts to revoke former President Joe Biden's ban on offshore drilling in sensitive coastal areas, including the Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and the Gulf of Mexico, recently renamed by Trump as the Gulf of America. The legal challenge, filed on February 19, 2025, argues that Trump lacks the authority to undo Biden's permanent protections under the Outer Continental Shelf Lands Act, OCSLA. This law grants presidents the power to protect federal waters from drilling but does not explicitly allow them to revoke such protections once enacted. The plaintiffs claim that Trump's actions exceed his executive authority and threaten millions of acres of ocean ecosystems, coastal communities, and endangered species. Steve Mishuda, an attorney with Earthjustice, emphasized the stakes. "We defeated Trump the first time he tried to roll back protections and sacrifice our waters to the oil industry. We're bringing this abuse of the law to the courts again." This lawsuit is part of a broader effort by environmental groups to challenge the Trump administration's aggressive push for fossil fuel expansion, which they argue undermines climate goals and endangers marine life. The case also seeks to reinstate a 2019 court ruling that invalidated Trump's earlier attempt to overturn offshore drilling protections established during the Obama administration. Earthjustice and the Natural Resources Defense Council are urging the same judge to enforce this precedent, arguing that Trump's actions are illegal and harmful. The White House has yet to comment on the lawsuit, but the legal battle is expected to intensify as environmental groups prepare for a prolonged fight. This case marks the first major legal challenge to Trump's environmental policies in his second term and highlights the growing tension between fossil fuel expansion and climate conservation. As coastal communities and ecosystems hang in the balance, this lawsuit could set a critical precedent for future environmental protections. Will the courts side with the planet, or will Trump's vision of energy dominance prevail? Stay tuned as this legal drama unfolds.